Hey, good Thursday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this May the 16, 2013. A hot day across the east today with temperatures peaking out around the 90-degree mark in some locations. But we're going to translate into a unsettled weekend across the east as we head into this upcoming weekend. Let's go ahead and take some of the Skycam shots from across the network this afternoon. Here's the look from the Atlantic Beach Skycam from atop the Seahawk Inn in Villas. A couple folks down along the beach this afternoon. Waves about 2 to 4 feet along the Crystal Coast this afternoon. You can see the water's a little chopped up this afternoon, but overall not too bad of a day. Some high-level thin cirrus clouds filtering their way through the area. That's going to allow for some filtered sunshine. Temperatures down that way in the mid-70s. I think you guys are on track for hitting around 80 this afternoon before it's all said and done. But overall, not a bad afternoon. And here's the look from Onslow Memorial Hospital down in Jacksonville, looking back to the south and east this afternoon across Western Boulevard and over Don Williams and Nissan. Not too bad of an afternoon. Like I said, some filtered sunshine. Temperatures down that way in the mid-80s. Kind of depending on where you are is where that sea breeze front has made its way inland this afternoon. Here's a look at the water vapor imagery and the vorticity at 500 millibars. You see the upper low now into central portions of Oklahoma, near Oklahoma City, and moving over towards Fayetteville, Arkansas. This was the same low that produced the severe weather down in Texas last night. Just a horrible little mini outbreak of tornadoes last night across central portions of Texas. I want to show you where those were all lined up yesterday, but it looks like the slight risk area was targeted well. The SBC did a great job in targeting this thing, but it was just a few miles to the west where the slight risk target was, rather than the general risk area where the tornadoes actually happened yesterday. And you can see that the tornadoes basically happened just to the west of the Fort Worth, Dallas Metroplex yesterday afternoon. Just a horrible scene down in Granbury, also in Mineral Wells, Cleburne. These areas were hit hard yesterday. The Granbury tornado preliminary analysis, EF4 damage down there, and likely going to be upgraded. I just saw a picture a couple of minutes ago of a house just absolutely wiped off its foundation. So definitely there's the possibility that thing was an EF5 tornado that went through there last night. So much devastation. So prayers and thoughts to those folks down there in Texas this afternoon. The risk area is not as bad today across the central portions of the United States. The risk area today over the Arklatex and also over northern Virginia, near the nation's capital this afternoon. Maybe a few thunderstorms mainly north of US 64 this afternoon. I don't think we're going to see very many showers today. I think maybe a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder this afternoon. I think a better chance moves in here late tomorrow afternoon, and even better chances move in here as we head towards the weekend before we really start to see anything significant here across eastern North Carolina. All right, here's the modeling off the 4-kilometer NAM output as far as the temperatures are concerned. And like I said, today we are going to peak out around 90 in some locations across the east. I don't think everybody's going to touch 90, but a few spots are going to try to tag it today. I think upper 80s a good bet. In low 90s, there's going to be the potential for that this afternoon. Like I said, we're still in the peak heating of the day. I think 1 or 2 more hours, some of us could hit the 90-degree mark. This is about at 3 o'clock this afternoon. And definitely looks like at this point we would be talking about temperatures closer to 90 degrees. All right, we'll go to early tomorrow morning. We'll move this up just a little bit. Here's 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we've got mid-60s. I don't think we fall down very much. I think we go partly to mostly cloudy tonight, maybe a few sprinkles, mainly north of US 264 tonight. And that's about it. And winds will go light and variable, so we're not going to see very much in the way of movement in the air today, tonight, or tomorrow either. Temperatures along the coast around 70. So definitely not a big drop off in temperatures tomorrow morning as you wake up to head out to the bus stop or heading to work tomorrow morning. And then we'll go to tomorrow afternoon. The NAM, I think, is overbaking us a little bit tomorrow. I think we only make it mid-upper 80s tomorrow. I don't think many people hit 90. Maybe south of US 70 may have a chance of hitting 90 tomorrow afternoon. That's about it. And like I said, maybe a few chances for a rumble of thunder. I'll show you that in just a second as well. But overall, this is what we're looking at going into your your Friday. Saturday morning, the NAM, like I said, a little overbaked here. I think we are in the mid and upper 60s Saturday morning to start off the day, and then we go into the afternoon hours and middle 80s for most of us. And once again, overbaked here on the NAM for the latter half of the run. And here's the output from the rainfall. Not, like I said, maybe a sprinkle or two. We go into tomorrow morning, not very much. I will note that as we go through tonight, like I said, maybe a few sprinkles or thunderstorms mainly north of US 264. Not expecting a whole lot. We translate it into tomorrow. And there's going to be a chance for a few rumbles of thunder tomorrow afternoon. I think mainly east of US 17 along the sea breeze. That's where we're going to see a best chance for some storms. And then the boundary that we're watching coming out of the north is going to sag southward enough tomorrow that some of these heavier downpours on Saturday morning may clip the northern portions of the viewing area. And then that translates into the afternoon hours as well. I think the boundary is going to stay just north of us going into Saturday afternoon. That we still see a chance for some showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be on the heavier side. Not expecting any severe weather, but definitely the potential is there for some heavy downpours on Saturday night into Sunday. And here we are on the GFS 12Z output, and you see the upper low over Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, and also Kansas this afternoon. We go into tomorrow afternoon. The low kind of shears itself out a little bit. It just becomes a short wave at that point, and it's over the mid-Mississippi Valley at this point, and will be starting to make its trek towards us as we head towards Saturday. Once again, Saturday we're going to see an increased chance for showers and thunderstorms, more so than we are going to see on Friday, and I think a better chance moves in here also on your Sunday as we watch this system kind of shear itself apart. But there's going to be enough energy left over that we're going to see enough uplift to see some showers and thunderstorms this weekend. Not going to rain all day, but still the potential is there for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, some of which could have some gusty winds, maybe a little bit of hail, lots of lightning, and some heavy downpours. Here's Sunday afternoon, and like I said, starting to get that little impulse on top of us. That's going to allow for some better coverage for showers and thunderstorms. I think we go about 40, possibly even 50% chance for a shower or thunderstorm going into Sunday afternoon. Here we are on Monday, and still got the shortwave on top of us. So I don't want to say that we're going to get out of the rain completely. I think we start to dry out a little bit on Monday, but I think there's going to still be a chance for showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon hours, especially with the little low on top of us. That's going to allow for some uplift and possibly some showers and thunderstorms that afternoon. We go into Tuesday, still have the little impulse on top of us. Once again, still with the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms. Not going to rain all day, but definitely still the chance is there. And here we are on Wednesday afternoon, and most of that's offshore, and we start to dry out, maybe some coastal showers and thunderstorms that afternoon, and then we'll translate into your Thursday. Not too bad, starting to get into a more zonal flow, but we see this little impulse to the north of us, and we'll go to the end of the forecast period, and it kind of dives south on top of us. So it looks like we'll be in an unsettled summer-type pattern across eastern North Carolina going into the next several days, as we see this little low kind of move around on top of us the next several days. And here's the surface output, and like I said, dry today. Maybe a random shower north of US 264. That's about it. Go into tomorrow. Once again, random shower mainly north of US 264 and along the sea breeze, and that's about it. That'll do it for us tomorrow. Saturday, a little better coverage in showers and thunderstorms as the boundary sinks southward. You can kind of see it laying itself across the I-40 corridor, basically. And that's when we're going to see a better chance for seeing a few showers and thunderstorms. I think mainly Saturday night into Sunday morning. That's where we're going to see a decent chance for seeing some showers and thunderstorms. But like I said, not going to rain all day, so don't cancel your plans, but have plan B in the back of your mind just in case you do have to take things inside. We go into Sunday afternoon. Like I said, scattered showers and thunderstorms, nothing too major. Maybe some of them being a little bit on the heavier side, but nothing too major. Here's Monday afternoon, and a little bit better coverage. And it looks like we're trying to get a surface low, trying to organize on top of us that would bring us a better chance for showers and thunderstorms on Monday. I'm not 100% honed in on that just yet. I think we just stay with the scattered variety for the time being, and we'll up our chances as we get a little closer to time. Like I said, this is an unsettled summer-like pattern, and the models have a hard time discerning that. They can't really take summertime convection and put that onto a map very well. It's just not how the models are made. These are synoptic scale models, and what we would be talking about is more of a mesoscale pop-up pulse type thunderstorm type of situation. So once again, not going to rain all day, but definitely a chance is there for seeing some showers and thunderstorms. Same thing on Tuesday, not going to rain all day, but still the chance is there, especially with that little lobe of low pressure on top of us. Will translate into your Wednesday, and this looks more of a coastal type of situation where we would see some showers and thunderstorms that day. Thursday, same thing, showers and thunderstorms mainly along for the coast. And then early Friday morning, scattered showers and thunderstorms, nothing too serious. I think the afternoon hours we still see a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. So the main takeaway message here is going to be random chances for showers and thunderstorms are going to be hard to pinpoint over the next several days. But like I said, scattered rain chances. Some of them could be on the stronger side, but not expecting any severe weather. And then warmer temperatures. We're going to stay mainly in the 80s the next couple of days, lows in the 60s. And not very much variability from that. So just stay up to date with the forecast here on the ENC Weather blog. Also the WNCT.com, Facebook, Twitter. We keep you guys updated on those social media platforms as well. You can also check in with us tonight. Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer in this evening at 5, 5:30, as well as 6, 10 o'clock on CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. You guys have a great afternoon, and hopefully you stay cool this afternoon. Warm weather staying in the forecast over the next several days.